Hello buddy, welcome back again with another video. In this video lecture we will discuss about SSH and how you can access your Google Cloud server or virtual machine. Basically SSH stands for secure shell. Now you may ask, what is secure shell? A secure shell provides authentication, encryption and data integrity for securing network communication. By implementing SSH, we will get some of the capabilities like a secure command shell, secure file transfer and remote access. In simple words, secure shell is a network protocol which is used to transfer data between client and server with the encrypted way over the public network such as internet. When a client connects to a server, it needs to be verified so the transaction can be considered as secured. One of the methods to authenticate the client is an exchange of cryptographic keys. After the server successfully authenticates the client, a tunneled connection is established. Then secure shell provides encrypted file transfer between the client and the server. Another useful application of secure shell is the ability to securely execute system commands and programs from a remote connection. So we have two options to connect with our virtual machine instance using SSH. The first one is using SSH from the browser and the second option is using PuTTY software. So we will use both options in our course. In the first option, we use our browser window to connect our virtual machine instance within the Google Cloud Console. There's no need to install any web browser plugin and extension or additional software to use this option. To connect your server using this option, open your Google Cloud Console and go to the Compute engine from the navigation menu and then click on VM instances. Here on this page, click on the SSH under the connect option. So as you can see, a new browser window has been opened and it will take a few seconds to connect. Now you can use this window to run the commands on your CentOperating virtual machine instance. Next, we have another option to connect our virtual machine instance using third-party tools or softwares. These softwares helps to make a connection between our computer and server or a virtual machine. There are several tools or software, but we will use PuTTY software. Alright, so let's install PuTTY software first in our computer. So first of all, open your browser and search for PuTTY. Then first link will appear here, which will be from www.putty.org. Click on that link. Next, you can see the download page here and just click here on this link. Here you can see some kind of executable files link which you can download and install. From here, choose from 32-bit MSI executable file or 64-bit executable file according to your system. I'm going to choose 64-bit MSI executable file because my system is 64-bit, and click on save the file. Once it's saved, we need to install it on our system, so just run this file and then click on OK. After that, the dialog box will be open and just click on the next button. The PuTTY software will install on this location. Alright, so next click on the next button and then just click on the install, As you can see, the putty has been successfully installed on my system. Now I'm going to avoid reading the readme file and then just click on the finish button. After installing the putty software, we need to generate an SSH key to connect with our Google Compute Engine virtual machine. So let's generate a key. Go to the putty location where the putty software installed in our computer. Normally it's saved in C drive, so go to the C drive, then program files, and just click on the putty folder. You will see different programmable files in this folder. Now I'm going to just click on this puttygen.exe and you will see this box on your Windows screen. Now to generate a random SSH key, click on generate button and then move the cursor on this area to create a random unique key. So as you can see, the public key has generated. Now copy this key and open your Google Cloud Console. Click on metadata under the compute engine section. Now on this page you will see two options, metadata and SSH keys. Just click on SSH keys. Now click on the edit button and then add items. Here in this box paste the SSH key and click on save button. As you can see, SSH key has been added in our Cloud Console. Now save this key as a private key because we will use this key for authentication. So click on save private key and then click on yes. Write the file name. You can write anything, but in my case I am going to save this file with the name of training. So the part of generating SSH key has been done here. Now it's time to access our virtual machine using this SSH key. So open the putty folder again and click on putty.exe. After that you will need to enter your virtual machine external IP address. So go to the VM instances and copy the external IP and paste it here. Next click on this plus sign and then choose auth option. After that browse the SSH key which we have generated. So click on the browse button and select the SSH key file and then just click on the open button. After this the terminal window will be open and then just click on the yes button. Now we need to log in on our virtual machine. To log in on this virtual machine we need a username. So again go to Google Cloud Console and click on SSH keys under the metadata section. Now copy this username and paste it without any space using right click. So as you can see we have successfully logged in. So now enter the sudo -s command to access the root privilege. So as you can see we are in root. It means everything working fine. So I think it is enough for now. In the next video we will install control panel. So see you in the next video.